This instructional video can be used for all models of KeyFit and KeyFit 30, including KeyFit 30 ClearTex, KeyFit 30 Zip, and KeyFit 30 Zip Air. To install the base using latch, make sure the vehicle is on a level surface. Place the base on the selected vehicle seat. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle. Locate the bubble level indicator and adjust the recline foot by pushing in on both foot adjuster buttons and lifting or lowering the base until the bubble falls between the arrows on the bubble level indicator. Pull up on the latch release lever and loosen the latch straps to their full length. Locate the latch connector storage compartments. Remove both latch connectors. Locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the vehicle latch anchor bars. Pull on the latch connectors to verify they are securely attached. Tighten the latch straps by pulling up on the latch pull strap while pressing the base firmly into the vehicle seat. Hold the base at each side and pull side to side and forward. The base should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Roll the latch pull strap and store in the pull strap storage slot. To insert the carrier into the base, push down on the carrier to make sure it locks into the attachment hooks on the base. Check your work by lifting up on the carrier handle to verify it is properly attached.